Belly mama, hey. Okay, next slide. Belly mama, belly mama, belly mama, belly mama, belly mama, belly mama, hey. Let's try that one from the top. Belly mama, belly mama, belly mama, belly mama, belly mama, belly mama, hey. That sounds pretty good. So there's a few of you who know this already, which is fantastic. So we'll try that again all the way around a few times. If you haven't picked it up already, you will do. Let's give it another go. Belly mama, hey.